I'm Ronnie with SLATOR and Blue Glass. We practice 100% fall protection even when we're transferring anchors. We have a permanent anchor over here. It's rigged for us and we're trained on how to use it. But we've got to do some special flashing around it, and we need to install some temporary anchors. This temporary anchor is called the V-1. We developed this because we needed it. We needed an anchor that would go in simply. It's 3/16 stainless steel, 2 pieces, welded, fused, with a nice oval designed for a couple pencil carabiners that we like a lot. What I did was I found a roof rafter, which is right here, and you install the V-1 with six of these standard Timberlock 4-inch screws that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's, or buy them on Amazon. And you'll notice that these holes are offset and they're long enough apart that we won't split the wood. To put it in, you need a good impact driver. If I had missed the roof rafter, this fastener, because of that smooth shank, would start spinning. What I do is I put one in at the top, and I put one in at the bottom, and if both of those hit, then I just have to fill in the middle. You're going to want a good battery and an impact driver when you're doing this. So I'll do the other 3 in just a moment. This anchor is rated for a 5,000-pound load if you have all 6 fasteners in a roof rafter that will support that load. It's rated for it in this direction or that direction. If you side load this anchor, there's no torque resistance. And that's pretty much true for every anchor except for a V5 permanent anchor. But anyway, that's how you install the V1. Thanks.